Who took oath as the 15th Vice President of India in September 2025? Correct answer is option A. C.P. Radhakrishnan. Who won the Men's Hockey Asia Cup 2025 by defeating South Korea? Correct answer is option D. India. Which city topped the list of million plus population cities in the Swachh Vayu Sarvekshan 2025? Correct answer is option B. Indore. Who became the first woman Prime Minister of Nepal recently? Correct answer is option B. Sushila Karki. Who won the main singles title at the US Open 2025? Correct answer is option D. Carlos Alcaraz. Which Indian NGO received the Raman Magsaysay Award 2025? Correct answer is option B. Educate Girls. Which team won the Durand Cup 2025? Correct answer is option C. Northeast United Football Club. Where was the Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option B. Tianjin, China. What is the passport rank of India as per the Henley Passport Index July 2025 edition? Correct answer is option A. 77th. Where has ISRO inaugurated the Hope Space Analog mission in August 2025? Correct answer is option C. Tsokar Valley, Ladakh. Who became the first Indian woman to win the FIDE Women's Chess World Cup? Correct answer is option D. Divya Deshmukh. Where was the third edition of SourceX India 2025 held? Correct answer is option A. New Delhi. Where was the 66th International Mathematical Olympiad 2025 held? Correct answer is option C. Australia. Which PSU has become the 14th Maharatna company in India? Correct answer is option A. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Who translated Banu Mushtaq's short story collection Heart Lamp from Kannada into English? Correct answer is option B. Deepa Bhasti. When was the Prime Minister Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana approved by the Union Cabinet? Correct answer is option A. 16th July 2025. Which city hosted the 17th BRICS Summit in July 2025? Correct answer is option A. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Who won the title of Miss Universe India 2025? Correct answer is option B. Manika Vishwakarma. Who won the Best Actress Award at the 71st National Film Awards? Correct answer is option A. Rani Mukherjee. Who became India's 89th chess grandmaster in August 2025? Correct answer is option B. Rohit Krishna. Which team topped the medal table at the Khelo India Winter Games 2025? Correct answer is option C. Indian Army. Which city hosted the 14th edition of India Singapore exercise Bold Kurukshetra? Correct answer is option C. Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Who is the author of the book The Rise of the Hitman, the Rohit Sharma story? Correct answer is option C. R. Kaushik. From which launch site was the NASA ISRO joint satellite NISAR launched on 30th July 2025? Correct answer is option B. Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. In which state was India's first Aqua Tech Park inaugurated? Correct answer is option C. Assam. Which site became India's 44th UNESCO World Heritage Site? Correct answer is option D. Maratha Military Landscapes of India. Where was India's first World Peace Center inaugurated? Correct answer is option C. Gurugram. Who has recently appointed as the new Deputy National Security Advisor of India? Correct answer is option A, Anish Dayal Singh. Who was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Yuva Puraskar 2025 in Hindi for her poetry collection Fir Ugna? Correct answer is option B, Parvati Tirki. Who has been appointed as the 11th chairperson of SEBI? Correct answer is option A, Tuhin Kant Pandey. Which two states conducted the joint census of Nilgiri Tahas in 2025? Correct answer is option A, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Who has been appointed as executive director at the International Monetary Fund? Correct answer is option B, Urjit Patel. Which state has been declared India's first fully digitally literate state in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Kerala. Which state hosted the Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Correct answer is option A, Bihar. How many Padma Award has been given in the year 2025? Correct answer is option B, 139. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India? Correct answer is option A, Ajay Seth. Which Indian institute has inaugurated Asia's largest shallow wave basin research facility? Correct answer is option C, IIT Madras. Which state won the Vijay Hazare Trophy 2024-25 for the fifth time? Correct answer is option A, Karnataka. What is India's rank in the Climate Change Performance Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, 10th. Which country built the world's first 3D printed train station? Correct answer is option C, Japan. What was the theme of India's 76th Republic Day parade in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Swarnim Bharat, Virasat or Vikas. Who took charge as the new Chief of Research and Analysis Wing? Correct answer is option A, Parag Jain. The 13th edition of the Joint Military Exercise AccuVariant 2025 held between India and which country? Correct answer is option B, Maldives. Where was the fourth No Money for Terror conference held? Correct answer is option B, Munich, Germany. Where was 12th edition of India-Sri Lanka Joint Naval Exercise SLINEX 2025 conducted? Correct answer is option C, Colombo, Sri Lanka. Who has been appointed as the Chief Executive Officer of the International Cricket Council? Correct answer is option B, Sanjog Gupta. Which tiger reserve became India's second largest after its expansion in August 2025? Correct answer is option C, Sundarban Tiger Reserve. What significant agreement did India and United Kingdom sign on 24 July 2025? Correct answer is option B, Free Trade Agreement. Who was sworn in as the ninth director of the Federal Bureau of Investigation? Correct answer is option A, Kash Patel. Which country became the 107th member of the International Solar Alliance in August 2025? Correct answer is option B, Moldova. Which country hosted the 51st G7 summit in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Canada. Who took oath as the 52nd Chief Justice of India in May 2025? Correct answer is option B, Justice B.R. Gavai. Who won the SAFF Under 19 Championship 2025? Correct answer is option A, India. Who became the first CISF officer to summit Mount Everest? Correct answer is option B, Geeta Samota. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of Union Public Service Commission? Correct answer is option C, Dr. Ajay Kumar. Who has been selected for the 59th Gyanpith Award? Correct answer is option A, Vinod Kumar Shukla. What is India's rank in the Global Gender Gap Index 2025 among 148 countries?
Correct answer is option A, 131.
Who became the first Indian to reach the International Space Station? Correct answer is option C, Shubhanshu Shukla. Which national park has been declared as the 58th Tiger Reserve of India? Correct answer is option B, Madhav National Park, Madhya Pradesh. Who has been awarded the 58th Gyanpith Award? Correct answer is option B, Gulzar and Rambhadracharya. Which country has become the first country to launch a national cryptocurrency tourism payment system? Correct answer is option A, Bhutan. Where was the 6th BIMSTEC Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Bangkok, Thailand. Where was the first Khelo India Beach Games 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Gogla Beach, Diu. Which Indian state has been named one of the go-to global destinations for 2025 by the Wall Street Journal? Correct answer is option C, Madhya Pradesh. Where did Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Chenab Rail Bridge recently? Correct answer is option A, Jammu and Kashmir. Chenab Rail Bridge is the world's tallest railway arch bridge, so remember this. How many player has been honored with the Khel Ratna Award in 2025? Correct answer is option D, 4. What is the theme for World Earth Day 2025? Correct answer is option A, Our Power, Our Planet. Who won the Best Director Award at the IFA Awards 2025? Correct answer is option A, Kiran Rao. Who was crowned Miss World 2025? Correct answer is option C, Opal Suchata Chwangsri. Where was 38th National Games 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Uttarakhand. Who has been appointed as the 26th Governor of Reserve Bank of India? Correct answer is option B, Sanjay Malhotra. Who has been honored with the Gold Mercury Award for Peace and Sustainability in April 2025? Correct answer is option B, Dalai Lama. What is India's rank in the World Press Freedom Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, 151. Who was awarded the Abel Prize 2025? Correct answer is option C, Masaki Kashiwara. Who has been appointed as the 26th Chief Election Commissioner of India? Correct answer is option C, Gyanesh Kumar. Who is the author of 2025 novel The Emperor of Gladness? Correct answer is option C, Ocean Vuong. Which city has been declared the leopard capital of India? Correct answer is option B, Bengaluru. The Golden Dragon 2025 joint military drill was conducted between Cambodia and which nation? Correct answer is option A, China. Where was the Bharat Calling Conference 2025 held? Correct answer is option D, Mumbai. Who won the ninth edition of ICC Men's Champions Trophy 2025 by defeating New Zealand? Correct answer is option A, India. Who became the India's first woman law secretary? Correct answer is option C, Anju Rathi Rana. Which two countries conducted the bilateral naval exercise Varuna 2025? Correct answer is option B, India and France. Where was the Artificial Intelligence Action Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Paris, France. Who won the World Test Championship 2025? Correct answer is option B, South Africa. Where was the first World Audiovisual and Entertainment Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Mumbai. What was the theme of World Environment Day 2025 observed on 5th June every year? Correct answer is option B, beat plastic pollution. Which state topped the bird species count in the Great Backyard Bird Count for the third consecutive year? Correct answer is option C, West Bengal. What is India's rank in the World Happiness Report 2025? Correct answer is option B, 118th. Which state became the third Indian state after Mizoram and Goa to be declared fully literate state under the Ullas scheme? Correct answer is option A, Tripura. Where will India's first artificial intelligence special economic zone be established? Correct answer is option B, Nava Raipur, Chhattisgarh. What is India's rank in the Global Peace Index 2025 published by Institute for Economic and Peace? Correct answer is option D, 115th. Which of Cambodia's sites were added to UNESCO Heritage List for their historical significance in July 2025? Correct answer is option B, Khmer Rouge torture sites. What is the theme for International Yoga Day 2025? Correct answer is option C, Yoga for One Earth, One Health. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of Indian Space Research Organization? Correct answer is option A, V. Narayanan. Who won the Kho World Cup 2025 by defeating Nepal in both men's and women's event? Correct answer is option A, India. What is the name of the military operation launched by India in retaliation for the Pahalgam terror attack? Correct answer is option C, Operation Sindoor. Who is the author of the book Why the Constitution Matters, published in August 2025? Correct answer is option A, D.Y. Chandrachud. Who launched Operation Spiderweb, the largest drone attack on Russian air bases in June 2025? Correct answer is option B, the Ukrainian military. Which cricket team won the Ranji Trophy 2024-25 by defeating Kerala? Correct answer is option A, Vidarbha. Where was ASEAN Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. What was the theme of India's Independence Day 2025? Correct answer is option D, Naya Bharat. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. Who won the Men's Hockey Asia Cup 2025 by defeating South Korea? So friends, share the answer in the comment box and do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.